Now I grew up.
Might hit a little bit of rain out that way. We're going out to Palm Springs. It's supposed to be hot and Pioneertown.
$100 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, put him down. But a war is known to change a man, and the whiskey's known to change a man. That's not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed. I still live in the sticks where you wouldn't go, in a town of 1,200 off an old dirt road, and a country boy is all I'll ever be. Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul to the devil in LA. He said, sign your name here on the dotted line, and your songs, they all will play. He set up shop on Sunset, he put me up at the Marquee. He said,
you wanna sell 1,000,000 records, boy? You better listen to me.
He said,
change your style, whiten your smile. You could lose a couple of pounds.
Missing out, man. We found a mega Jeep rally right now. This place is so freaking cool.
no, that's not me. 'Cause the biggest things in life are your friends and family.
Hey, you got to get this, don't you?
Get what?
It's really soft, and here I am spinning around. I should have just left it there.
Let me help you pick that beast up.
Country boy is all I'll ever be. 'Cause Hank taught me just how to stay alive. You never catch me out the house without my 9 or 45. I got a big orange tractor and a diesel truck, and my idea of heaven's chasing whitetail bucks. And as a country boy, I know I can survive. Now 2 flags fly above my land and really sum up how I...
Hey, welcome to Pioneertown, California, historic 40s Western movie set. It's a beautiful day today. Thanks for coming out. It's great.
The other one's got a rattlesnake with a simple statement made. Don't tread on me is what it says, and I'll take that to my grave. Because this is me. I'm proud to be a...
Hey guys, this is Haley at Pappy and Harriet's. Come on down and enjoy yourself. Have a beer, maybe a chili burger, whatever you'd like.
But I'll say it again, 'cause I've never needed government to hold my hand. I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause my family's always fought